XB Marketing here with another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make $100 a day with CPA content locking. Alright, so I made a video yesterday about CPA lead banning their content locker. So if you are looking for other alternative, then you can look into cpagrip. You can also use AdWork Media, OGR, CPA Build. There are a lot of other options out there. So I want to make this video real quick because I got my first conversion for today. So I wanted to share with you guys that you can make money with content locking in 2022. Okay, as you can see right here, I've made $1.35 early Tuesday. All right, so if you come to your account and you go to the offer section, it's going to display offers available in your country. As you can see here, I don't promote Nigerian offers at all. So I am going to show you where this conversion came from. All right, so if I type it Turkey right here, so this is where I got the conversion for this offer. So I am going to show you how this came by. So if I click on this offer right here, as you can see, the payout is $1.35, as you can see right here. So if I hover on this lead, you can see I got the lead today, Tuesday, 4th of January. So if I click out of this and I refresh this page, as you can see, everything is remained the same. So I'm going to refresh again. Okay, so stick to the end of this video. So if you are interested, then stick to the end of this video and I'm going to show you how I did everything step by step. All right, so once you are in your account right here, so if I click on this offer, so if I click on this offer right here, so obviously I don't know how to read Turkish, but if I go on to Google to translate this, like I did right here, you can see it means enter your mobile number now to get started. And right, as you can see, it's a pin submit offer, and also you can see right here it dictates that right here, pin submit. Once they input their mobile phone number right here, they are going to get a pin sent to their phone, and if they enter the pin into this page, you get a commission. And as you can see right here, I got the commission right here, so definitely it works. All right, so now let's get into this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a content locker. All right, so you want to go back to monetization tools and you want to use URL file locker specifically. Okay, so if we click on this edit right here, so this is the simple locker that I made. All right, it's very simple and yet it still got me conversion. Okay, so what you want to do, you can click on this create new locker and you can click on agree and you can click on continue. And then you want to give your locker a name, so let's say cat. So basically this name will not display on the offer, it's just for you to be organized. All right, so you can use any of the templates right here, really it doesn't matter. Okay, so I just decided to use this basic template. The next thing you want to do, you can leave this download button as it is, but this is very important. Okay, you want to click on this auto show offers. All right, so you want to let them see the offers immediately they click on the link. All right, so if they complete on the offer, you get paid. So basically I set the offer to 1 lead, which was why I got 1 conversion. Okay, so if I had set it to maybe 2 or 3 leads, then they would have to complete more offers and I'll make more money. So basically that's how you do it. And then final thing you want to do is you want to impute a locked URL right here. So basically you want to, so once you put in that, then you want to click on save and that is it. All right, so I'll cancel this. So if I go to the original one that I made, which is this one, you can see right here I have a link to a PLR product right here. So once they complete the offer, they will be redirected to that product. Okay, so basically that's how you do it. Once you click on save, you will be able to copy the link. All right, just click on grab link and then copy your link. You can customize it if you want. Okay, you can give it a fancy name if you like, but basically I just use the generic one. All right, so once you're done, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Reddit. So you want to come to Reddit and you want to type in Turkish cat in the search bar. So if you search that, you can see over 24,000 people are in this group and we have 14 people currently online at the time of recording this video. And you want to upload the image on Imgo. As you can see, this is the image I uploaded. You can see this is my account right here. And as you can see, it's just less than 30 minutes ago, I have got over 200 views and 18 upvotes. All right, on this image alone. So this image is what you are going to be sharing on Reddit. Okay, so you want to come to Reddit, you want to join this subreddit. So once you join this subreddit, you want to click on this create a post. Okay, so if you click on this link right here, so if you click on that link icon right here, you want to upload an image to Imgo. So to find a suitable image, you want to basically just look at any of the image right here. You want to type in Turkish cat. So I just decided to go with this one because it caught my eye. So basically once you download that, you want to upload it to Imgur. As you can see, I got another upvote while making this video. All right, so to upload it on Imgur, you want to create an Imgur account. It's very simple. I've shown a lot of videos on how to create that. Just go to imgur.com. You want to create an account with either your Facebook or your Twitter, or you can use your phone number. Okay, so once you have an account created, you want to click on this new post, and once you do that, you want to choose the photo. So let's just go with this picture as an example. So, and then you want to give it a short caption right here. All right, so I'm not going to use this picture again. So let me go back. Let me use a different image. So let me look for another image. So let's go with this one. So if I click on this save image, so I'll save this image. So let me go back to Imgur. I don't want to use this one since I've used it already. So now let's re-upload a different one. So that image didn't download. So let me go back and look for another one. So let's say this one. Okay, so I just want to download this. So I'm just going to save this one and then go back to Imgur and then click on this upload. Okay, we have this one now. Let's upload it. So basically, this is what matters right now. You want to give it a caption that is really, really nice. Okay, so you can type in what is he looking at. Okay, just something like this to keep the post engaging. All right, because the more people see your post, the more money you are going to make and the more engagement you will get, just like as you saw in the post that I showed. All right, so basically, once you type in something like this, you are not going to include any links at all. You want to type in some tags. As you can see, just have some that I've used recently. Then you want to type in cats, animals, then you want to type in cats. So basically hashtags that are related to the post. All right, so let's say cute. So that's what. Then you want to post to the community, and then you want to post publicly. So basically the next thing you want to do now, once you've done that, you want to go to breezy.cloud to create a content locker like this one. So create a landing page rather like this one. So let me show you an example of this landing page. So as you can see, the landing page right here, very simple landing page. Make any card your best friend. All right, expert secret inside. So basically this is just to let them know they are getting the best value that they can get if they download this ebook, and they are not paying for it. As you can see right here, it says click button below to get it absolutely free, and also some scarcity right here, 5 copies left. And also once they click on this download link, so if I click on it, so as you can see, like I said, the content locker pops up. If they complete one of this offer right here, they will get access to download it from IDPLR right here. If you remember, I use IDPLR in my content locker right here. So if I open the content locker, as you can see right here, you can see the link. But ideally, you want to upload it to maybe mega.nz or Google Drive or wherever you want to upload it to. So basically, that is how you can do it. So and also you can use content locker if you want, but URL file locker is the best that you can use. Okay, so basically that is how you create your content locker. You don't have to use only breezy.cloud to create landing pages. You can use other ones like Google Sites, Build the Raw, and the likes. Okay, so then you want to click on this right here. So once you do that, then you want to click on edit project. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to start building your page. So you want to click on this button right here. So we are not going to be using any template. We want to build it from scratch. So the next thing you want to do is you want to drag an image. You want to drop the image right here. Okay, so once you drop the image right there, then you want to upload the image. I forgot to mention you want to get an image of the IDPLR product. So basically you want to come to idplr.com and you want to go to this category section and you want to type in and you want to click on this pets and other animals. So you are going to see a lot of product that you can use. So you don't have to really use this one. I just use this one as an example. So you can find other options that you can use right there. All right. So basically once you find a product that you want to use, that you can just right click and save the image. Okay, so I have it saved already. So if you go back to breezy.cloud, so you want to upload the image. So once you upload it, you want to scale it down by clicking on this dot right here. So once you scale it down like this, then you want to also drag it so that it looks good. Okay, this is too big. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to drop a text element right here, and then you want to use something similar to what I used. So just as you can see right here, make any cat your best friend, expert secret inside. Because if you remember, we are going to be submitting this to this Turkish Reddit, and we all know these people are interested in cat, and they are the one who is going to most likely come to imgur to view this image. So basically what we are doing is directing this cart traffic to this image where we are going to paste our content locker. All right, so let's continue with the video. So you want to type in something like this. By all means, feel free to make changes to the text however you like it. All right, so the next thing you want to do, you want to drag another text element and you want to drop it underneath this one, and then you want to type in click button below to get it absolutely free. So if I go back here, so I'm just going to paste it. All right, then you want to align it to the center. All right, and then the final thing, okay, not the final, then you want to type in something like this right here. You want to drop another text element right here. So let's go back here and see what we write. As you can see, 5 copies left. Okay, so you want to type in that right here. So you want to erase this and paste it in there. And you want to also align it to the center. So to change this color to red, basically all you need to do is highlight the color, highlight the text you want to change the color, and click on this button right here, and you can choose any color that you want. All right, so basically that's how you do it, and also that's how you change this 5 to red. So once you've done that, the final thing is to drop our button. So drop a button right here, and then you want to type in something like download, and also you can change this button color if you like by clicking on this right here. So the next thing you want to do is to add our content locker link. So just like as we have right here. Okay, so if I click on this, so I'm going to be using this one as an example. So once you've made your content locker, you want to grab the link. Okay, so you want to paste the link right here. So once you paste the link, you want to click on publish page. So we are done for this page. So you can see it literally didn't take long at all to create this simple landing page. So once you're done, as you can see, a random name is going to be generated. So you want to click on it, and then you want to choose this subdomain. But if you have custom domain, by all means, upgrade to the premium plan and connect your domain to it. Okay, so you want to choose this and give it any name you want. Okay, so let's say card free, just as an example. All right, so that works. So if I click on it, as you can see, the page opens up right here. So if I click on this download button right here, as you can see, cardfree.breezy.site. So if I click on this download button right here, you can see it brought us to this content locker. All they need to do is complete one offer and we make money. That's how simple it is. All right, so once they complete the offer, they are going to get redirected to download this product wherever you upload it, or if you want to have them come here to download it directly, you can do that as well. So basically that's all you need to do. So the next thing now is driving traffic to this landing page. So once you come to this subreddit, you want to click on this link right here. So once you click on this link button right here, you want to upload your imgur image. Okay, so you want to grab your imgur image. So basically once you grab the image, you want to paste the link right here. So all you just need to do is you want to also choose a flare. So you want to choose meme. So once you choose meme, so basically you don't have to choose meme. It depends on whatever you are posting. All right, so then you post the image. So once you've posted the image, the next thing you want to do, you are going to start getting views right away. So you can see this image has gotten 33 views right away. So most people are still going to click on this imgur to view the image. So if they click on this imgur to view this image, as you can see, we have 2 likes on 2 upvotes on this image already. So once you copy the link to the URL, okay, so we already know these people on this Reddit are interested in cart. So if they click on this image to view the full image, they are going to be redirected to this content locker. All right, as you can see, another upvote. All right, so you are going to leave a creative comment linking to this content, linking to this landing page. So basically that's how you do it and start driving traffic to your content lockers for free. If you find any value in this video, don't forget to leave a like on this video, and if you have any question, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.